Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to show you something crazy. I just created a full cinematic Nollywood style movie, dramatic lighting, smooth camera movement, actors, locations, and I did it all with AI using the brand new Sora 2. And listen, I did it for free. No invite code, no watermark, no trial version, no limit, just unlimited high quality video generation. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how I did it. I'll show you how I got access to the tool, how I set up my prompts for Nigerian cinema style, the drama, the emotion, the rich colors, and how I turned simple text into full movie scenes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start making your own Nollywood film with AI today. Actors, camera angles, wardrobe, everything, without touching a camera, without paying for gear, and without begging for access. This is the future of filmmaking, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get into it.
You see this rice? No magic, just love and a little pepper. Lagos will test you, but it...
Okay, to start with, all you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT, okay, for us to generate our prompt. Okay? So as you can see, I've asked ChatGPT to please create a Sora 2 cinematic Nigerian short film for continuous moving scene showing the energy of beauty of Lagos. The main character, she's elderly plus-size Nigerian woman selling a local restaurant. She's confident and directly talks into the camera, okay? So you can get inspiration from this prompt, all right? So this is what ChatGPT has given to me. It has broken it down into different scenes, okay? You can see scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4, all right? And the closing scene. All right, so this is how it is. Make sure you ask ChatGPT to please include the character description. So once you get your prompt, the next is for you to go to a site where you can get Sora 2. So Sora 2 is the new text to video tool that the OpenAI have just released, okay? So it's a kind of, they have Sora 1, which was the old version of Sora, but in this tutorial, we'll be using Sora 2, okay? So Sora 2 is a new image or text to video features that the OpenAI have just added to their platform, okay? In some certain platforms, it's difficult for you to access it. Some of them you have to use VPN, but I will show you how you can get it for free, all right? You can get it for free and use that, all right? Okay, so the tool we'll be using to access this Sora 2 is Nigerian AI. You can go to your App Store, your Play Store, and download the app, or you can also use your browser, or you can go to your browser and type in Nigerian AI, all right? I've done other tutorials how you can use Nigerian AI, all right? It's a new tool that offers you unlimited videos, image, it's very good. It's, even lip sync. It helps to do a lot of things. And recently they have just added Sora 2 to their platform. And you can access Sora 2 here for free without you stressing with, to get a VPN for you to access Sora 2. So what you have to do when you get to Nigerian AI, try and sign up or log in if you already have an account with them. Okay, they're quite good. So once you log in, you see you have a lot of credit. So on top of your screen, you will see some, symbols there. You see this one that says free. Okay, even on your app, you will see that. Click on that free one. Okay, you will see Sora 2. So you can just scroll down. You will see how the interface looks. It's very easy to use. Okay. So now that we have set up our tool, the Sora 2, all you need to ask is to ask ChatGPT to generate a character of your, a picture of your character. Just ask ChatGPT to generate a picture of your character, okay? Okay, here is the prompt I've given ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT have generated this image as our character in this movie, all right? You can use any AI image generator platform to generate your image, all right? In case if you don't have ChatGPT Pro, and ChatGPT can offer limitations sometimes, so you can use other AI image generator platform, all right? So what you have to do is to save your image, save it to your gallery, okay? Once you save it, you come up to the prompts that ChatGPT gave to us, okay? Then copy it one after the other, all right? Copy the scene 1, you copy the scene 2. Make sure you copy it alongside with the dialogue. Okay, make sure you select it with the dialogue, not just only this is the dialogue, okay, the one that is in quotation mark, that's the dialogue. All you have to do is to copy your first scene, okay, highlight it and copy. So once you copy that, you head over to Nigerian. You head over to the Sora 2 to use the unlimited Sora 2. This plus sign, you have to click on the plus sign and upload that image reference, okay? Why we need image reference is that we want to maintain consistency. We want to maintain consistency throughout this video, all right? In the box here where it says type in your idea, paste in the prompt that the first scene, all right? Paste it in. Here is, it offers you 15 seconds and 10 seconds, all right?
Welcome to Learn with Cece. Get ready to discover, create, and grow.
Okay, so when you hold over to here, try and copy all the prompts. Copy all the prompts down to the bottom, all the scene. Copy all the scene. Copy all the scene because you copy all. Head over to Nigerian AI. When you head over to Nigerian, press on the, make sure you're on the unlimited Sora 2, okay? Then you press on the plus sign. Upload the image of your character, okay, as a character reference. Why we're doing that is that we want to maintain consistency throughout this 15 seconds video, okay? So here it says paste in your idea. You paste in the prompt you copied from ChatGPT, okay? Here it says like a clock. Click there. You have 10 seconds, you have 15 seconds, okay? You select 15 seconds. Aspect ratio, we have the mobile version 9:16 and 16:9, which is the landscape. I'll be selecting the 16:9 due to YouTube tutorial, okay? Once you're happy, try and proofread your prompts. Make sure that your dialogue is what you want your character to say, okay? And once you're happy with that, so as the video is generating, okay, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And also let me know the next AI tool you would like me to experiment for you. Let's wait for our video to generate.
You see this rice? No magic, just love and a little pepper. Lagos will test you, but it...
If you're hungry in Lagos, come find me. My food go wake your spirit.